Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best pen knife is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your everyday carry arsenal, offering unparalleled convenience and utility in a discreet package. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates preparedness, a high-quality pen knife can be a game-changer for countless tasks, from opening stubborn packages and cutting through cordage to performing delicate craftwork and even assisting in emergency situations. Its compact size and often sleek design make it easy to carry in a pocket, bag, or even clip to a keychain, ensuring you're always ready for whatever the day throws your way. Number 5. Slice Micro Safety Cutter, 2-pack green. Introducing the Slice Micro Safety Cutter. Its minimally exposed microblade is crafted from durable ceramic, safeguarding against injury with a finger-friendly edge. Keep yourself and your packages safe. This ceramic utility blade is perfect for more than just breaking down boxes. It effortlessly cuts through various items, including food packaging and tough plastic clamshells. Experience superior durability with our safety box cutter. Its ceramic blade lasts 11 times longer than traditional metal blades, never rusts, and remains highly effective. This lightweight mini utility knife is ideal for everyday use, whether you're at home or on the go. Its ergonomic design and non-slip material ensure a comfortable and secure grip. Slice is the leading choice for safety and effectiveness, recognized in industrial settings and now a top box opening tool for homes. You can trust its reliable performance. What we like. Tired of cuts and rust? This one features a unique ceramic blade that's incredibly durable and safe for everyday use. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes safety and longevity for opening packages around the house or on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. This pen knife is very sharp and cuts through materials easily. The design is sleek and it fits comfortably in my pocket. It's a great tool for everyday tasks and comes with a secure locking mechanism. Number 4. 8-in-1 EDC Carabiner Multitool. Introducing the ultimate 8-in-1 EDC Carabiner Multitool, designed for all your outdoor adventures and everyday needs. This versatile tool combines multiple functions into one compact package. Crafted for strength and safety, it features a robust carabiner with a secure twist lock system. It's an essential addition to your toolbox and survival gear. This multifunctional carabiner clip is perfect for camping, hiking, and hunting. Easily attach it to your keychain or belt loop for quick access. Its compact size and one-handed operation make it incredibly convenient for daily life and adventures. The liner locking design ensures it stays securely open or closed. Looking for the perfect gift? This sleek multi-tool carabiner is an ideal choice for men and women, suitable for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. What we like. Need a tool for every situation? This carabiner multi-tool packs a knife, rope cutter, screwdrivers, and more into one convenient package. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who likes to be prepared for anything, this is an essential addition to your gear. What people say. This pen knife is incredibly sharp and holds its edge well, making it perfect for everyday tasks. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or attach to a keychain without being bulky. Despite its small size, the blade is surprisingly sturdy and can handle moderate cutting jobs effectively. Number 3. BARRYSAIL Mini Keychain Knife, 2 PCS. Introducing the BARRYSAIL Mini Keychain Knife, a compact and versatile tool designed for everyday convenience. This set includes 2 small folding pocket knives, perfect for anyone on the go. Experience safe everyday carry with its upgraded design. It stays securely closed during transport but opens effortlessly with a simple thumb stud push, ensuring it's ready when you need it. The secure liner lock mechanism ensures the blade stays firmly in place during use, providing added safety and reliability. Simply disengage the lock before closing the knife. Measuring just 4 inches when open and 2.2 inches when closed, it's slightly longer than a typical key and weighs only 40 g. Its small size makes it an ideal everyday carry tool for both men and women. Despite its small size, this utility knife is incredibly capable. It can handle common tasks like opening packages, breaking down boxes, trimming stems, and cutting various materials like tape, twine, and rope. At BARRYSAIL, we stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please reach out to us, and we'll ensure you have a happy order. What we like. Looking for a discreet and convenient everyday carry? This mini keychain knife is incredibly small and lightweight, perfect for slipping onto your keys. If you need a reliable tool for quick tasks without the bulk, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This pen knife is very sharp and can cut through various materials with ease. The design is sleek and discreet, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. It features a secure locking mechanism that ensures the blade stays in place during use. Number 2. Samior GD035 Small Slim Folding Pocket Knife. This knife features a compact titanium pocket clip, designed for easy and discreet carrying in your pocket. Its sleek design ensures it won't weigh you down. Experience swift and smooth opening thanks to the ball-bearing pivot system and flipper tab. It's designed for quick and convenient access whenever you need it. The VG10 Damascus stainless steel blade offers excellent sharpness and edge retention, making it ideal for everyday cutting tasks. It's built to last and easy to maintain. Crafted from milled TC4 titanium, the gray handle is not only visually appealing but also provides a secure and comfortable grip. Its premium finish complements its functionality. We stand by our craftsmanship. This knife is covered by a lifetime warranty against defects in materials or workmanship. Feel free to contact us with any questions. With a blade length of 3.54 inches and a closed length of 4 inches, it's perfectly sized for everyday carry. Its overall length is 7.95 inches when fully opened. What we like. Appreciate fine craftsmanship and performance. This knife boasts a premium VG10 Damascus blade and a sleek titanium handle, opening effortlessly with its ball-bearing system. If you're a gentleman who values both style and cutting precision for daily tasks, this is the perfect sophisticated EDC. What people say. This pen knife is very sharp and cuts through materials easily. The design is sleek and it fits comfortably in my hand. It comes with a secure locking mechanism that prevents accidental closure. Number 1. SOG Pentagon FX Tactical Knife. Introducing the Pentagon FX, an evolutionary step in hard-use fixed-blade knives. This full-sized tactical tool is designed for the modern warfighter, perfect for military and law enforcement needs. This knife offers a mission-customizable setup with multiple accessories. You can achieve flexible, mission-specific configurations, including adjustable sheath retention and mounting options. The blade is crafted from American-made Cryo CPM S35VN steel, known for its toughness and wear resistance. This 4.77-inch blade offers a great balance between utility and agility. It features textured G10 handles for an optimal grip, designed for comfort during prolonged use. The full-tang construction enhances its overall strength and durability. Easily adjust the sheath retention strength with its no-tool adjustment feature. This tactical knife has an overall length of 9.95 inches, providing a solid feel while remaining portable. The double-edged spear point blade offers superior cutting performance. Its thickness and hardness rating ensure it can handle demanding tasks with ease. Included is a GRN sheath compatible with our universal mounting system. This allows for versatile carrying options, ideal for tactical operations and survival scenarios. What we like. Require a tool built for the toughest challenges. This professional-grade fixed-blade knife is constructed with high-performance steel and a full tang for maximum durability. If you're in military, law enforcement, or need a reliable tactical tool for demanding situations, this knife is engineered for extreme use. What people say. This pen knife is incredibly sharp and holds its edge well. The design is sleek and discreet, making it easy to carry anywhere. It's surprisingly sturdy for its small size, with a reliable locking mechanism. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.